following a very serious storm that is now south of the Baja Peninsula in Mexico. It is Hurricane Jimena. It is moving towards the northwest at 8 miles an hour as of the new advisory here, 11 a.m. advisory. Winds 145 miles an hour. We're going to get another advisory in short order. This is a Category 4 storm. It's a very dangerous hurricane, generating very high surf. It'll produce an awful lot of rain and some wind damage, very serious wind damage. When it comes on board, though we do think it will weaken a little bit, and though it is a very small storm. So the big question is, where exactly is this thing going to go? And it's a difficult question to answer. We think it will continue along towards the northwest, then maybe more towards the north here at some point, and that's probably going to mean an impact getting up into the Baja Peninsula just to the west, potentially, of Cabo San Lucas. You'll notice here that the center line of our path would take the center of the storm to the west of Cabo San Lucas. Now, we have not disinvolved Cabo San Lucas, so it's still possible that there is a direct hit in Cabo San Lucas. Los Cabos is a very popular tourist resort. A lot of people living there on a permanent basis. And if you'd like to contact us via Skype, we would love to hear from you. If you're in Cabo, send your pictures or your video. Send that to eyewitnessweather@weather.com. We want to hear how you're getting ready for this major storm. We do think that it could be a major hurricane as it nears the coast here. Now, where it makes landfall has everything to do with when it makes landfall. You'll notice the angle, severe angle of the coastline relative to the forward motion of that storm there. So if it were to take the right-hand side of that track and move more towards Cabo, that would be primarily towards tomorrow afternoon or evening. And if it would move farther westward here towards the center line, that would be much later in the day tomorrow. And it's also possible that it moves along here on the west side of the cone and stays offshore altogether. The impact will be thus: we're going to see some very heavy surf, no matter where you are here in the Baja Peninsula. The wind field is small. It's got a tight core, 30 miles wide. So where that tight little core comes on board, that's where the most damaging wind is going to be. Is that going to be to the west of Cabo or right into Cabo? We cannot answer that at this time. But you need to be prepared for a major hurricane. And we can also tell you that there is going to be exceptionally heavy rain coming down here, 5 to 10 inches of rain, maybe as much as 15 in some areas in the southern part of the Baja. That is almost certainly going to lead to life-threatening flash flooding. That will be a huge part of what happens here. They need the rain. That's the good news. They really need the rain. There are little towns in the Baja Peninsula that are now down to 1 or 2 days a week of water rationing, because the drought is so serious. So they need that rain, but it's all going to come down in a hurry. And it's certainly going to be very serious flash flooding in this area. Big storm here. It's going to cause a lot of problems. Now, as we take you into the Atlantic Basin, we're also watching this area. It's been fluctuating in intensity in the last couple of days. There is an area of low pressure there. There is a spin in the atmosphere, and there is a lot of convection or thunderstorms forming near the center of this thing. So it's doing pretty well now. It would not be surprising to see a new tropical depression coming out here, and it may in fact even skip a step and jump over to Tropical Storm Erica. We think it will continue along towards the west and more west-northwest. That will probably take it to the north of the Lesser Antilles, and beyond that, it's a very difficult forecast. We don't know whether it's going to curve around or whether it will continue along towards the west-northwest. Too difficult to answer at this time. But we just want to be aware of the possibility of something being out there